Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your music to Spotify. If you are an artist and you want to add your own music to Spotify, that's kind of hectic. You need all the processes to done, and won't be in this video because I'm not a creator, so I can't do that for you. So you need to open the Spotify app. I'll tell you how to add the music which is not in the Spotify. Like you have your music, you listen to those music from YouTube or anywhere else, but that's not on Spotify. How to add that? So here you need to go on the profile section. Here you can see the setting option. Okay, here you need to scroll down your library. Here in your library you need to see show local files. Click on the local files, and also you can add a source where local files need to be added. For example, I don't have anything in this, so if I go on the music or anything, just press OK where the local files are, where your music are in this device. So here you need to then go on your library. Separated playlist of your local file will be shown. I don't have anything in this, so it won't be shown for now. So all about the video. If you liked it, please hit like, subscribe and share. Thanks. Have a nice day.